Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to replicate this desktop setup that I have on my system. So if you are using Windows and you want this kind of a customization on your desktop, please do watch the full video. Guys, so the first thing that you have to do is we have to hide these icons that we have on our desktop. To do that, you have to right click anywhere on your desktop and select view and then uncheck show desktop icons. As simple as that. Now we have to download a few files. This is Rainmeter. It is a desktop customization tool. It's free open source software, so you can simply go to this website rainmeter.net and download this. You can download the beta version and I already have it. So, and this another link, I will link it down in the description below. So you have to download this has the skins and the wallpapers that we need. So I have these files already. So let's go wherever you have downloaded these files. Now this is a rar file. Extract it, right click and extract here. Now you have these wallpaper also. We have just right click on the wallpaper, select set as desktop background. Now this will change the desktop background. Yeah, so we have the background right now. Now let's install Rainmeter. Just follow the instructions. Standard, recommended, fine. Install 64-bit, launch Rainmeter on startup, cool. Yes, run Rainmeter. Now it will show some preset skins. When you right click on each one of them like this, you can see some settings here. Now you have to unload these skins. Unload each one of them. Now that you have unloaded all these skins, we have to copy a few things. So first we have to copy these skins. Select these three folders, copy. Now we have to go in documents, Rainmeter folder, skins. We have these two here already. Now paste it. Fine. Now let's go back again. Now this cool desktop folder we have to copy this folder itself. Copy this folder. Now for this one we have to go in C drive, in users, or whatever is your username. Then there will be an folder which is hidden, so we have to click on view and click on hidden files. Check this. So now we have app data folder. Now click on that. We have to go into roaming. Then we have Rainmeter folder. In layouts, just copy that cool desktop folder. Okay, done. Now we have to install this taskbar X. This will shift the taskbar icons to the center and also have more features like transparent taskbar and all. So it's as simple as double clicking on it and installing it. Now it's already done, as you can see. Now to get all these widgets that we were seeing, or you can call them skins, they are called skins. So we have to click on Rainmeter here and click on manage. Now we have layouts. I have already shown my layout, like you have already copied it, so it's showing up here. If it does not show, then refresh or something will show up. Now select this and click on load. Now as you can see, these icons are here. Now just let it refresh a little. Okay, now we don't have to do anything else. Close this. There are few settings that you can do. For example, if the location here is something else, so you can go right click on this icon and custom skin actions. You can choose Fahrenheit, Celsius, or you can check the location. When you click on location, it will take you to a Yahoo page and you can search for your location and it will automatically select that. Then we have now for this settings, like if I play a song right here, it won't detect that a song is playing. It will detect a song is playing, but the visualizer won't work. For that to work, like anywhere here on the clock, double click. Now it shows you a menu. Now we have to choose a media player. Because I'm using Spotify, I will select Spotify. Now it should work. Now as you can see, very slightly we are seeing it's working. It depends on the volume. If it's high, it will be higher. You can change the settings. Right click on it, go into edit skin. Now you have a lot of variables here. You can go into measure audio bands. Sensitivity is set to 30. Change this to 50. Save this, close this. Now just refresh skin. Now as you can see, with the same volume it's showing much more. That's it, I think so. If you need any more instructions on how to change any other setting, please be free to comment down in the section below. And I hope you have a nice year ahead. Happy New Year. Thank you.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.